funny feeling that you get when you dream of something for years, days or months together and then you finally see it coming true? Today is one such day for me. Hi, this is Rupa Patil, a certified trainer, coach and event planner. And today is one of my first offline events, and today's event name is Profit from Your Knowledge. So today I'm going to meet a couple of amazing people and I'm going to talk about and help them explore and identify not only their current knowledge, but we are also going to talk about how to convert the current knowledge into profits without leaving their current job. So I'm excited, also a little scared and anxious, but I can't wait for completing this event. Thank you. Hey Arnam.
Hello.
Ask me how I'm feeling.
How are you feeling?
Before that, let me ask you, how are you feeling today?
I'm good.
Yeah. Thank you so much for showing up. And how I'm feeling. You have already guessed it. I'm feeling a little nervous. I'm feeling a little anxious. But most importantly, I'm super excited. And thank you so much for coming. Today
My
happens.
pleasure.
So today happens to be our first offline event in this world of freedom lifestyle. And I literally tracked this boy Arham here. He is my favorite, absolute favorite. We have been working together for what?
A year and a half.
A year and a half. And also some major changes in his life happened in this last 1 year. Yeah. That is for some other video though. So today is our first event, and by the way, today is 2nd of November 2019 and yesterday was his birthday. Happy birthday. So today we are having this event that is Profit from Your Knowledge. This event is all about not only exploring and extracting our superpowers, our knowledge, but also to discuss how we can convert our knowledge into profits. So it's all about, using our knowledge to help a lot of people. And when you help a lot of people, you actually can make a lot of money. So all this without leaving your current job or profession. So I'm super excited.
Same here.
So I'm So today was my first event, an offline event, and it was all about profiting from your knowledge. There were all the participants who came, they found a lot of value, and most importantly, my intention was to make sure that before they leave this event, they could get not only great value and great knowledge, but very clear action steps. So now, they already know what they are going to do in next 24 hours, next 7 days, next 30 days, and I couldn't be more excited to see how they actually work on it. So I am so grateful to have those attendees come and attend this event. I'm very grateful for Arham, my team member, to be here and to support this event throughout. And I'm extremely grateful for being in a position to impart this knowledge and to help others create an impact in their lives. This is Rupa, certified trainer, coach, event planner, and if you would like to be a part of upcoming events, which is all about not only extracting your knowledge but also converting your knowledge into real profits, launching your first knowledge business in 30 days from now, please sign up at rupa.live/event. freedom. I'll give a link with this particular video. So I look forward to see you for my next event, and I look forward to help you create your first business without leaving your current job. So I really look forward to help you, help other people, and make profits on the way. This is Rupa, and I'm so glad you are watching this. Thank you so much.